Hi again, I just want to summarize key points about cells. Alright, the SOA is reduced at the cathode. I actually failed to mention what the cathode and the anode were in our illustration in the last video, so let's get that out of the way. Alright, so the SOA was copper 2 ions. That means it gets reduced at the cathode. I made a little bit of a mistake here, but that's okay, I fixed it. The copper electrode is the cathode, okay? Even though the copper isn't reacting, it's the cathode. Electrodes are solid conductors where redox occurs. So copper 2 is the SOA that's in the solution, but the copper electrode is the cathode. All right. Oxidation occurs at the anode. That's our zinc electrode. Okay. Electrons flow from anode to cathode. So I can illustrate that as well. Draw little arrows. Okay, so that's the electron flow from the zinc to the copper. Okay. Positive ions from the salt bridge move to the cathode, and negative ions move to the anode. That's pretty easy to remember because positive ions are called cations. They go to the cathode. Negative ions are called anions. They go to the anode. That's not too bad to remember. Another little trick I want to help you with is to remember reduction occurring at the cathode. I'm not big on tricks and like memorization techniques, but this is a good one for students. So reduction cathode, I think of that as red cat. Oxidation at the anode is NOx. All right. So just remember, you can take a trip to a farm somewhere, and at that farm you can see a red cat and an ox.